I'd like to say thank you to Haisstronica for sending these crimpers out for me to review on my channel. It's a 6-in-1 crimping set, and also they've sent me this set to review, which has your wire stripping tools and your crimping set. We'll get onto them a little bit more in the video, later in the video. But firstly, we have this set. There is a little manual that comes with it, telling you the styles: style A, style B, style C, D, E and F for different crimps. You have six sets of these jaws that come with it for different crimps that are easily adjustable by just undoing that screw. It's really easy to change them out. You just undo the screw. There is nothing on the other side like a nut. It is just threaded in there, and then they just slide out, and then you would just replace it with whatever one you wanted. Might do that later in the video. You have your typical ratchet system. So it locks, and then just squeeze it to release it. Quality feels solid enough. It's not cheap, it's good quality metal, so I think they're going to last. Not like some that I have had in the past that have bent when you've tried crimping. These look actually really well made. That is style B of your crimps. This nice plastic case to store everything. Style C. We'll try a few of these now anyway, like I said. I have got a few crimps here, but not many. There is D. There's your wire gauge for there. AWG. You've got 18 to 16, 14, 12 to 10 and 20. And this one is smaller, going from 24 to 20, 18, 15, 14, 12, 10 and 8. And these ones by a 14, 12 and 10 gauge, 2.5 mil, 4 mil and 6 mil. We'll get some wire now and we'll try and crimp something. I have some blue and red crimps here, bullet connectors and spade connectors that I can quickly show you, and this old piece of wire. I will leave a link in the description where you can purchase if you like, and you can visit their website. Just loosely turn the wire. You don't want it too tight, otherwise it might not work properly. Point it into the blue one. And there we have it. As you can see, that is solid, nicely crimped. use a bullet on the other side just to quickly try it. Onto the blue on the crimper. But yeah, nice and solid. And obviously you would connect your male to your female. I'm tugging on that pretty hard and they're staying solid, so no worries about your connection coming loose. We'll quickly try the red one on the other bit of wire. Go to the red, which is on the end. And yeah, again, solidly in place. No problems there. Yeah, they seem very good quality. Yeah, they seem very good quality in all honesty. Seem strong. And like I said, it's a 6-in-1 kit. You've got your jaws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically any scenario you find yourself in, these will no doubt suit you. We'll have a quick look now at the next kit. Here we have your manual, your ferrule crimping toolkit with wire stripper, .400 pieces. We've got 400 AWG22, 350 of the 20 AWG20. Anyway, I won't go through all of it, otherwise this video will take half hour to an hour. But yeah, you can see it comes with plenty of little bits, different amounts like 150, 400, 40, obviously depending on the size. The bigger the size, the less you will get. You've got your wire stripper and crimper, nice little lock on the side. You've got a wire cutter by there and also a little crimper by there. And then you've got your wire stripper for 20 gauge, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10 AWG gauge, and obviously millimeters on the other side. We'll give that a quick try now with a piece of wire. So this is the wire you just seen me strip earlier. We'll cut. Oh, that's very sharp. Very, very sharp. Way sharper than the other ones I'd use. Right. Obviously the wrong one. There we are, effortlessly. And I'd have stripped that really well. I don't know what gauge this is, to be honest. I'm just using 14. It might be 14, it might be not, I don't know. But yeah, look how easy that is. Impressed with that. That seems a bit thick of the earth. But yeah, what I have found in the past with wire strippers similar to this is it pulls off with the copper out when you pull the thing, but this hasn't. This has just pulled the outer case off and left the inner copper perfect. And these are your crimpers. I don't want to use too many of these, but we'll have a quick go. push it up until it stops on your wire, and then just feed it into the crimpers. Oops, butterfingers. And yeah, crimped nicely. Cut that excess off. But yeah, very good quality on both of them. Your little instruction manual. But yeah, recommended, good quality. Link in the description to their website so you can check out their stuff yourself. Let me know in the comments if you've been to the website and what you think of the tools and the prices, or if you've already tried their gear. I would be interested to hear off people. Let me know what you think about the quality, but it seems really good quality to me in all honesty. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, please subscribe, and hopefully I will catch you on the next video. Thank you.